My Teacher, My Dad by Dixie Lee Petrocus, illustrated by Melanie Siegel. Mrs. Harvey is sick today, the principal told Alma's class. Alma thought that news was just great. Now they might not have that math test. The principal talked to Alma's class. Then a new teacher strolled into the room. When Alma saw him, she felt a big lump in her throat. Alma's new teacher made Alma feel worried. "That's your dad!" gasped Carrie. "Yes, it is," Alma said, frowning. "He's wearing a funny outfit," Carrie said. "Yes, he is," Alma said. "Hi, kids," said Mr. Alvarez. "I'll be your teacher while Mrs. Harvey is out sick." He wrote his name on the board. Then he smiled and said, "I know you were planning to take a math test this morning, but tests aren't fun." The kids all looked at each other. "So let's sing songs," Mr. Alvarez said. Mr. Alvarez wanted the class to sing. So the class sang songs. Then they blew giant bubbles, told stories, and had a snack. Then Mr. Alvarez showed them how to make hats out of colored balloons. The class had fun with Mr. Alvarez. "Your dad is great," Carrie told Alma. "School is so much better now that he's our teacher." But Alma looked worried. Alma was worried about the new teacher. Alma's father drove her home after school. "Did you have fun today?" he asked. "I guess so," Alma said. "You guess so?" he asked. Alma talked to her father. "Dad, I like fun," said Alma, "but we need to learn." "I know, but I wanted your classmates to like me," her dad said. "Just be yourself," said Alma. "They'll like you." Alma told her dad her class needed to learn too. The next day Mr. Alvarez dressed like a teacher. "Today we will get back to learning," Alma's dad told the class. "But don't worry, learning can be fun too." Alma smiled. She felt proud of her dad. By the end of the day, everyone agreed. Learning was fun. Alma's class had fun learning.